students, I am Sutula from GK Jain School. Today we will continue the national income. So in the previous classes we have saw what is national income, how to calculate the national income, the various measurement of national income. Now we are going for the importance of national income. How this national income plays a vital role in any economic activities. Okay? So let's understand in a one by way. It plays an important role in a formation of economy. So, to formulate the economy policy of a country, for example, we are in India. So, to formulate the economic policy of overall India, how much money has to be spent on which sector? How much to be spent for hospital industries? How much to be trade industry? How much for commerce industry? How much for human resource development? How much for the fuel industry? So all the overall aspect for a country, how much has to be spent, how much has to be produced, how much the RBI has to do, what kind of policy RBI has to make, all this monetary policy, fiscal policy or any other money related aspects, all this policy has to be formulated only after the national income. When you know the national income of any country, you can manage and you can calculate, you can utilize that for calculating the various aspect of income and various aspect for the economy. So it says that it plays a vital role. It plays, which means national income plays a vital role in formation of a company. Formation of a economy, to formation of economy. So to formate the economy, to make a company, to build the economy, you need the national income. When you have a national income, you can make the economy, how stable economy, whether this economy will be stable, whether this economy will be helpful for all the standard living of people. Okay, so for that we need the national income. So it plays a vital role in the formation of a company. Next one, to know the relative importance of various sectors and to understand the relative aspect of various sectors, whether the primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector, the agriculture sector, commerce sector, trade sector, we have various sectors. To understand what is the link between national income and that sector, what is national income and what is primary income, how these are linking to that, what is the agriculture sector, what is national income, how it is related to one another, to understand that. To know the relative importance of various sectors, what are the calculation of national income, to understand how the national income has to be calculated, which way it has to be calculated, whether the production method to calculate all the production aspect of a country and calculate to the income method to calculate the overall income, salary income, hospitality income, capital income, organization income and the other source of income. By doing that, or by the expenditure, how much the person has expended, by that we can calculate. So calculation of national income, we have to see how it has been relatively expert. It's calculation of national income. So we have to see how important it is to calculate the national income, how to commodity produce and to have how the commodity is being produced, how the production is taking place for various aspects, for agriculture product, for the trade product, for commerce related products. So all this, how it is getting produced and how it's distributed, and after the production, how it's getting distributed. So we have to see the difference. We have to see the connection between the national income and the connection between how the production is being made and the connection between how the production has been distributed. So all these aspects. So it is what national income is related. It's related with various sectors like calculation of national income, like commodity production, like distribution of commodities, all these aspects. Next one, to formulate national policy. As stated, I have told you in the beginning of the video that this national income plays a vital role in the formation of economic policy. We have to make the economic policy in such a way that the RBI also get benefited. This Ministry of HRD also gets benefited. The Ministry of Trade should get benefited. Ministry of Foreign Exchange get benefited. So in such a way we have to make the economic policy that over all industries, whether primary, secondary, tertiary, any industries is there, all should get benefited. People for all standard of living under the poverty line, below the poverty line, above the poverty line, who is living the luxurious life, all the people has to get benefit. So to form formulate the national policy. This national policy may be a monetary policy, as I told you, money related aspect. Whatever guideline has to be given to the RBI, whatever aspect has the RBI need, what kind of thing has to be suggest to the RBI, all these related aspects you can get from the national income. When the national income is good, the RBI monetary policy can be framed in a perfect way. Okay, so for that, so to make a monetary decision, to make a monetary policies, you need the national income. It plays a vital role. To formulation of monetary policy, national income plays a vital role. You can add this one more point. In the importance of national income, you can have one more point and write it. Monetary policy plays a vital role in national income. Fiscal policy and the distribution policy, how the thing is being doing, how the thing has to be done, what kind of benefit has to be given, what industry needs what kind of output and input, all these policies has to be made. So the national income also plays a vital role in the fiscal policy and other policy, as I told you. Other than these two very important policy, other policy for the education, policy for the development of rural development, urban development, all this development policy has to be done here. Educational policies, trade policies, commerce policies, import-export policies, all this policy, overall the national policy, the building of national, to raise the nation up, for all this policy, you should take the national income. National income plays a very important role in the formulation of all the necessary policies that a country has to take. Okay, next point. To formulate planning and plan progress. Next one, how to make a planning. All the planning related to the national aspect, regional aspect, local aspect, all this policy has to be made. And to see whether the planning is going good. See, there is an author who says that planning is good, but going according to planning is difficult, right? So he says planning is good, we can make an easy plan, but to follow the plan, to go through the plan is a very difficult thing. So this national policies, the national income formulates how to plan, the various planning policies, various how to calculate the formation of economy, various planning has been, and how to plan, and the progress of planning also depends on the national income. Next one, to build economic models and to build the economic models, how the economics should look like, whether the economics should be fit, how this fit will be for the national level, international aspect, because this economy is the shape, it gives you the sharpness that the country will shine at the world level. This will give the shine to the company that the country will have their own standard at the World Bank, at the UNO, at the UNESCO. All the aspirant of a country can be shined only through the economic models. That economic model may be a short term and a long term, maybe of 1 month, maybe of 3 months, maybe of 6 months, maybe of 1 month, maybe of 12 months, maybe of 5 years, maybe of 10 years, maybe of 15 years. So all this term level, how the economic model is being made, how the economic policy is being made. Remember the 5 years plan? This is also economic model given by the then Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So that kind of thing, you know, the one of the best economics finance minister we had, Dr. Manmohan Singh, his policy, the short-term policy he brought, LPG. What is LPG? The liquefied petroleum gas? No. Liberalization, privatization, globalization. He, in the 1991, without any consults with the parliament, he and then Prime Minister both went to the World Bank. He went and asked the money because the country was in the financial problem, and he went and asked the money. World Bank says, we'll give you the money, but you have to do something that will bring your country more developed, more aspirant. He said, what we should do? You should do the LPG, liberalization, privatization, globalization. So that was the short-term plan. But when it came into effect, it gave the boost to the country will. So that became a long-term. So all the economic models has to be well designed, and national income plays a vital role in the formation, in the building of economic model. To make a comparison, and we have to make a comparison to help. This national income also help in the making a comparison with the international boundaries. Okay, so if we have a national income, this will help to have a comparison. How this international market of US, how this USA related with India, how much this is progressing, how much US is progressing. If you take the 4 or 5 months back, details means we are underdeveloping country and they are overdeveloped country. And when you take the data, India is very running, it's running like anything, it's getting growth like anything. So by this we can understand, oh, so this country is getting this development, this country is getting this development. So by that means, by the national income aspect, we can have a comparison with the international border. How USA and India is comparing, how we can compare these two countries, and various aspects. We can have a regional aspect, the local aspect. How the Maharashtra is okay with Tamil Nadu, which state of this, whether Maharashtra or Tamil Nadu is more developed, more growth in various sectors. Whether Kolkata is growing more, Delhi is growing more. Whether Bihar is growing more, Rajasthan is growing more. So all these aspects you can have a regional, national wise, the overall national aspect. Whether the India, whether the country has on some respect, whether the country has on some growth. So all these. So with the help of national income, we can also calculate the comparison. We can make a comparison, international level comparison, national level, regional level, local level, all the district wise, Chennai and Kanchipuram, how it is developed, Kanchipuram and Vellore, all this distribution, all this comparison can be done only with the help of national income. Next one, to know the per capita income, and with the help of national income, we can understand the per capita income. What is the how much the individual population of a country is earning? What is the formula? Let's see. In the previous class we have learned what is the formula? National income divided by population. Okay? National income. So whatever the national income of a country is divided by the total population of a country. If you do, you can understand the per capita income of a country. So to know the per capita, you should have a national income. So national income also plays a vital role in knowing the per capita income, and to arrive at the macroeconomic variable, and to understand the macroeconomic aspects such as tax and GDP ratio. Tax with the help of GDP ratio, gross domestic product, and tax. What is the relation between tax and GDP? And we can understand the current asset deficits and GDP ratio, the relationship between current asset and the GDP ratio. The fiscal deficit, the fiscal relation with GDP ratio, and debt with the GDP ratio. So all these four macroeconomics aspect you can understand with the help of national income. So national income, at the last one I will say, national income plays a very, very important role in the formulation of policy, and in the building of national aspect, and in the formation of economy, and for the planning, and for the economic models. Easy to understand. National income always helps a country to have a special growth.